Good morning. How are you all, children? How are you, beta?
We are fine.
Hey, how was your Uttarayan, everyone? Agam, Aharnish, Dhruti, Niva, Pavitra, Shrey, Vaishnavi, Vani, Vian. Did you all enjoy Uttarayan and the holidays?
Yes.
14, 15 and 16. Did you all enjoy yourselves?
Yes.
That is very good. Please wait for a minute, children. Let everyone join. Let everyone join.
Ma'am, Kite Festival. Hi, Agam. Hi, Agam.
Okay. Join your hands, children. After Deep Vandana, we will do the Pachan Mantra, children. Join your hands. Close your eyes.
जब बायजूस क्लासेस पर मिलेगा 2 टीचर एडवांटेज डाउनलोड बायजूस ऐप नाउ
Rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar.
Okay. Let's see today's classwork homework. Off your camera, everyone. Keep your camera off, beta. What is today's date, everyone? What comes after 16? What comes after 16, everyone?
17 January 2022.
22, yes. And today's classwork and homework.
17 January 2022.
Yes, thank you. Homework. Last one will be your test of opposite. Test of opposite, and then we will write the test in notebook also. First we will do the test in Forms app, then we will write the test in notebook also. Then your homework will be write opposite and doing action words. Action words in notebook. One time. How many times, children? one time. There is a test of opposites today for classwork, and in your homework, children, what will you do? You will write the opposites and action words one time in your notebook. Got it, everyone? Did you understand the classwork and homework, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. That is very good. So after Deep Vandana, we did the Pachan Mantra. Does anyone remember which was the first topic of our fourth evaluation? Which was the first topic of our fourth evaluation, children? What did we learn? Position words. Very good. On, under. In, on, under. Yes, Mera Janshu. Yes, Janshu. Oh, you made the book very nice, beautiful. Hot opposite cold. I can't see you. Big opposite small. Near, far, fast and slow. Very good. Very nice, beautiful. Yes, Vaishnavi, I have seen your video. Yes, Vaishnavi, Mama has sent it to me. Everyone's book is, whenever you come to school, please bring this book with you, okay, children? Very good, Janshu. Thank you, Mr. Janshu. Whenever you come to school, please bring this book. Okay, everyone? Agam, are you able to listen to me properly now? Agam? Okay. Now I'm sending you the link and we shall start our paper. Okay? All the best for the test, everyone. In the chat box, here I send you the test. And everyone will do the test on your own. No parents will help you. No guardian, no parents will help you. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No one will help you. Yes, beta? Haan. Okay. Let's start, children.
The sun is hot, but the snow is cold.
Are you all ready? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start, children. 1 minute, please. Let's start, everyone. Did you write your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write? Okay.
This is right.
Everyone has written their name in the quiz? Everyone? Let's start. Question number 1 is, mute yourself. Keep yourself. Class, beta. Yes, excuse me, ma'am. You don't say ma'am. You say excuse me, ma'am. I have sent it in the box, in the chat box. तो क्लेरा मैम को पूछो बेटा. क्लेरा मैम को पूछो. It's in the chat box. Please see. Okay. Harnish, did you get it now?
Yes.
Did you receive that link, beta?
Yes,
Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Question number 1 is, the sun is dash. The sun is dash, but the snow is cold. How is the sun? You have to tick the correct answer. No one will help you. किसी भी ममा को उनको help करना नहीं है. You have to do this quiz on your own. The sun is dash, but the snow is cold. You have to give me the opposite of cold. The sun is dash, but the snow is cold. Number 1 done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to question number 2, children. To question number 2, the fries मतलब जो chips है, French fries are in the packet, but the letter is dash the box. The French fries are in the packet, but the letter is dash of the box. Where is the letter? What is the opposite of in? The French fries are in the packet, but the letter is dash of the box. You have to give me the opposite of in. Opposite of in. Question number 2 done by everyone? Question number 2 done by everyone?
Excuse me.
Yes, beta.
मेरे में इन नहीं है.
I want the opposite of in. I don't want in. I want the opposite of in. I want the opposite of in. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. It's okay, ma'am. The others, are you able to do the quiz? Agam, Anshi, Aradhya, Aharnish, Dhruti, Dhyani, Harshit, Jia, Ishan, Janshu, Niva, Pavitra, Purab, Pranshi, Shrey, Vaishnavi, Vani, Bian. Are you all able to do question number 1 and 2 done? Okay, question number 3. Thank you, Agam, Harshit. Which of the following opposite is right? Yes, beta.
मैं सबमिट कर दूं. राइट.
बटन दबाओ.
Okay, the third question is which of the following opposite is right? मैंने 3 पिक्चर दिए हैं आप लोगों को, उसमें से कौन सा ऑपोजिट सही है वो आपको बताना है. A, B और C पिक्चर में से कौन सा ऑपोजिट सही है वो आपको बताना है. Question number 3, which of the following opposite is right? A, B or C? Which is right? From the picture you have to tell me कौन सा opposite सही है. Okay, everyone? Question number 4 says, an elephant is dash, but the rat is dash. An elephant is dash, but the rat is dash. You have to tell me the opposite of the pictures I have given you. Elephant and rat. What are they? Are they tall and big? Are they big and small? Or are they short and long? Are we all together, children? Are we all together? Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Done by everyone? Sorry, Dhruti. Dhruti, I can't hear you. Please type in the chat box. I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking. And please chat through the chat box. Do not speak in between while I am talking. Let's see question number 5. Choose the correct opposite for the following picture. For the picture I have given you, you have to choose the correct opposite. The the options are up, opposite, down, fill, opposite, empty, fast, opposite, slow. Which is the correct opposite for the picture I have given you of the car and bike? For the picture of a car and a bike, what is the suitable opposite, children? Up, opposite, down, fill, opposite, empty, fast, opposite, slow. Sit down, Harmony. Question number 5 done by everyone. Please type in the chat box. Should I wait or should I move forward now? Should I move on?
सिखाने के लिए जाना.
Harshit, yes. What about everyone else? 1 to 5 questions done by everyone. Yes or no? Please reply. Agam says yes. The others? 17 others. Please type. We are done. Anshi done. Dhruti, Dhyani, Vani done. Vaishnavi, what about you? Janshu, Pura, Pranshi, Niva, Riva. Riva is absent. Okay. Question number 6 says, is the following statement true or false? There is a picture of Ram and there is a picture of Shyam. Is this sentence true or false? क्या ये sentence सही है? Ram is thin, Shyam is fat. क्या ये सही है कि गलत है? Please answer true or false. अगर सही है तो true, अगर गलत है तो false. Ram is thin, Shyam is fat. There are 2 boys in the picture. One is Ram, second is Shyam. Ram is thin, Shyam is fat. Is it true or false? True मतलब सही, false मतलब गलत. Okay everyone. Question number 7 says, what is the opposite of down? What is the opposite of down? You have to tell me the opposite of down. I got the results. Agam 100% okay. Anshi, Aharnish क्या गलत हुआ बेटा? ओके, राम थिन नहीं है, थिन एंड थिक. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो, फैट थिन में प्रॉब्लम हुई आपको. ओके, हु एल्स आफ्टर अहर्निश? ध्रुति, ईशान, जिया, ज्ञानशु, प्रांशी, श्रेय. वियान कहाँ पर गलत हुआ?
ओ राम और
राम. अच्छा, फैट एंड थिन. Fat and thin. Okay, okay, yes. Okay. The rest of you, only 10 of you have submitted me the quiz. What about the others? Aradhya, where is yours? Okay. 15 answers received. Agam, Anshi, Aradhya, Aharnish, Dhruti, Harshit, Ishan, Jia, Janshu, Pavitra. Pavitra, what happened, beta? Second is wrong, third is wrong. Pavitra, what happened? Are you still not clear with the opposites, beta? Vaishnavi, what is wrong? Opposite is wrong of happy and sad. What happened, Vaishnavi? Still there are few people who have not submitted me the test. 18. I should receive 18 answers. I have only received 16. किसका बाकी है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, Aharnish.
मैं मेरा मिल गया.
Yes, beta. I got yours. One is wrong. Fat opposite thin is wrong. Aharnish.
Wrong.
I should receive 18. I have only received 16. Good job, Aharnish. 2 are pending. किसका बाकी है अभी भी? Until then, the rest of you take out your notebook, please. Okay, sorry, there is no time for notebook now. I'll take your attendance by the time. Okay, ready for the attendance, children? Okay. कहाँ से बाकी था? Anyone who remembers? किससे बाकी था?
देखिए मेरा नहीं आया।
मेरा नहीं आया था।
मेरा मतलब बेटा you have to speak your name. I do not understand if you say मेरा बेटा।
मेरा नहीं आया था।
Janshu, please be quiet. Janshu, आपका टर्न आ गया था Janshu. Please wait बेटा. I said please wait. I'm talking to Janshu. Please wait.
No, ma'am.
Janshu, आपका टर्न आ गया था बेटा.
नो
No, ma'am.
Please rejoin the meeting.